Hey there! You know that feeling when January rolls around and your home feels a little empty? The festive decorations are packed away, but the chill of winter still lingers. No need to worry. There are simple ways to keep your home feeling cozy and inviting, even without holiday decor. Wrapped in a warm blanket with a cup of your favorite drink in hand, you're surrounded by soft textures and a peaceful atmosphere. Creamy throws, natural wooden accents, and delicate touches like winter branches in a vase come together to create a calm and soothing space that feels like a warm hug. The best part? You don't need a big budget or a full makeover. Sometimes it's the smallest changes that make the biggest difference. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore some simple ideas to help you craft that perfect winter vibe for your home. Let's get started. The living room is often the heart of the home, and in winter, it's where coziness truly comes to life. Let's focus on making this space warm, inviting, and perfect for everything from relaxing evenings to family gatherings. Start by giving your coffee table a simple but beautiful touch. Arrange a wooden tray with some natural elements like pine cones, evergreen branches, and white candles. These small additions bring the outdoors inside and add a subtle winter charm. If your mantle feels bare after the holiday decor comes down, replace it with soft greenery like eucalyptus or a string of pine cones. Add candles of varying heights in neutral colors like white or gray, and consider incorporating a few metallic accents in bronze or gold for an elegant winter sparkle. To elevate the coziness, layer your couch with a chunky knit blanket and scatter soft pillows in neutral tones like cream or gray. Adding a plush rug or textured throw can transform the space, creating a calming, warm environment. Key is to keep the colors soft and natural while focusing on textures that invite comfort. These small updates turn your living room into a cozy sanctuary, perfect for the chilly season. Your bedroom should be the ultimate retreat during the cold winter months, a peaceful hideaway where you can relax and recharge. Let's make it extra cozy and inviting. Start with the bed, the centerpiece of the room. Layer it with soft blankets and throws in soothing winter shades like cream, gray, or beige. A chunky knit blanket and plush pillows in a mix of textures like velvet, wool, or faux fur add both comfort and style. Keep your bedside tables simple but charming. A small evergreen branch in a vase, your favorite candle, and a few books tied with twine create a cozy yet uncluttered look. These little touches add a seasonal vibe without overwhelming the space. For the walls, a winter-themed artwork or a peaceful snowy landscape can instantly transform the room. It's a simple addition that adds to the serene atmosphere. Want an extra touch of winter charm? Place a woven basket in a corner and fill it with pine cones, dried greenery, or a soft blanket. These small details make the room feel thoughtfully designed and perfect for winter. Imagine stepping into this tranquil space after a long day, a soft glow from a candle, layered bedding that invites you to sink in, and a peaceful ambience. It's the perfect winter sanctuary. Kitchen is the heart of every home, especially in winter when it's all about comfort food and warm drinks. Let's add a touch of winter charm while keeping it functional and clutter-free. Start with the countertops. Prop a wooden cutting board against the backsplash to add natural warmth, and place a few glass jars filled with baking essentials like sugar and flour. Add a simple touch of greenery like eucalyptus or small evergreen branches in a pitcher for a seasonal feel. Brighten up your windowsill or unused counter space with small evergreen plants. Artificial ones are a great option if you want a low-maintenance touch that lasts all season. Wrapping the pots in burlap gives them a cozy, rustic vibe. Create a centerpiece for your kitchen table using a wooden tray. Arrange pine cones, dried orange slices, some greenery, and white candles for a natural, understated winter aesthetic. Now for a special touch, set up a warm drink station. Use a tiered tray to display your favorite mugs, cocoa mix, marshmallows, and cinnamon sticks. Add tiny evergreens or a few pine cones for a cozy, inviting look. It's practical and perfect for those chilly mornings or evenings. With these simple changes, your kitchen becomes a cozy, functional space that captures the essence of winter. Your dining room can be a cozy winter haven where every meal feels a little more special, even on ordinary days. Let's create a warm and inviting atmosphere with simple yet charming touches. Start with your table. A cream or beige table runner sets a soft, neutral base. For a rustic touch, layer a burlap or linen runner over it. This instantly adds warmth and a farmhouse vibe. For the centerpiece, lay eucalyptus or evergreen branches down the middle of the table. Tuck in pine cones, snowy branches, and white candles to create a natural winter wonderland. If you want a touch of sparkle, add frosted berries or twinkling fairy lights. Enhance each place setting with white or neutral plates and napkins tied with twine. Add a small sprig of greenery or a pine cone on each napkin for a thoughtful and elegant touch. Lighting is key to setting the mood. Scatter frosted votives, small lanterns, or candles in varying heights around the table to create a warm, glowing atmosphere. If you have a chandelier, consider adding subtle winter accents like frosted greenery. For an extra cozy touch, drape soft blankets over a couple of chairs. It adds a welcoming look and provides extra warmth for guests during long winter evenings. With these simple elements, your dining room becomes the perfect spot to create special winter memories. Your entryway sets the tone for your home, especially during winter. Let's make it a warm and inviting space that feels like a cozy hug as soon as you walk in. If you have a bench or table near the door, start by adding a chunky knit blanket draped over one corner and a couple of soft pillows in neutral tones. This creates a welcoming and functional spot for putting on or taking off boots. For the walls, a simple wooden sign with a cozy message like "Stay warm" or a winter-inspired wreath with eucalyptus or snowy branches adds charm without being over the top. Practical and stylish storage is key in an entryway. Place woven baskets under the bench or on the floor to store winter accessories like scarves and gloves. Add a seasonal touch by tucking in pine cones or dried orange slices. Lighting plays a big role in making the entryway feel cozy. Add a warm glowing lantern by the door or weave fairy lights into some greenery for a subtle sparkle. If space allows, a small table lamp can add an extra layer of warmth. Finish the look with a neutral-colored doormat that has a subtle winter pattern. It's a simple detail that completes the space. With these small touches, your entryway becomes the perfect welcome for both you and your guests during the chilly winter months. Shelves and dressers are often overlooked when decorating, but they're perfect for adding little winter-inspired touches that can make a big difference. For your shelves, try arranging books with light-colored spines, whites, creams, or soft grays work beautifully. For a clean and unique look, you can even turn them pages out. Add small accents like snowy trees, evergreen sprigs in vases, or frosted pine cones between the books for a touch of seasonal charm. Woven baskets or wooden trays make stylish storage options for shelves. Use them to organize small items while keeping the space visually warm and inviting. To personalize the look, include a small framed quote or a wooden sign with a simple winter message. Dressers can also be transformed with a few thoughtful additions. Start with a runner in a neutral tone to soften the look. Create a mini winter vignette by grouping together items like candles, pine cones, snowy branches, or frosted berries. Arrange them at varying heights for depth and visual interest. Add a vintage touch with an old clock or a weathered frame, and weave fairy lights into the arrangement for a cozy evening glow. Small ceramic houses, snow globes, or frosted animal figurines can add a playful and unique touch to your decor. These small changes can make your shelves and dressers stand out while blending seamlessly into the cozy winter atmosphere of your home. Rustic centerpieces can be the perfect way to bring a touch of winter charm to your home, whether for your dining table, coffee table, or a sideboard. Let's create something simple yet stunning. Start with a base that adds warmth and texture. A wooden tray, dough bowl, metal basket, or even a woven platter works beautifully. These materials set the stage for a cozy, natural look. Now, fill it with seasonal elements. Frosted pine cones, evergreen branches, and dried orange slices are timeless choices. You can also sprinkle in a few glittery berries or fake snow for a magical touch. These elements create a natural winter aesthetic that feels cozy without being overdone. Candles are a must for any centerpiece. Choose different heights for a layered effect and stick to neutral tones like white or gray for an elegant, cohesive look. Battery-operated candles are a safe and hassle-free alternative to real ones while still creating a warm ambience. Add a personal touch with small decorative items like ceramic houses, tiny deer figures, or even frosted acorns. These little details make your centerpiece feel unique and thoughtful. For a long dining table, create a centerpiece that runs down the middle. Use greenery, pine cones, candles, and fairy lights to make it feel inviting and festive without crossing into holiday decor territory. If you're working with a smaller surface, like a coffee table, a simple bowl filled with pine cones, a couple of candles, and some greenery can be just as impactful. With these tips, you can create rustic centerpieces that bring warmth and beauty to your home all winter long. The final touches are what truly bring your winter decor together, turning your home into a cozy sanctuary. These small but impactful details can make all the difference. To create a perfect reading nook, find a quiet corner with a comfortable chair. Add a chunky knit blanket, a soft pillow, and a small side table with a glowing lantern or candle. It's an inviting space to unwind with a book on a cold winter evening. Don't forget about your walls and windowsills. Swap out regular artwork for winter-inspired prints, such as snowy landscapes or minimalist designs in soft tones. Windowsills are perfect spots for tiny frosted trees, ceramic houses, or small lanterns. Add fairy lights for a warm glow as evening falls. For a luxurious feel, layer soft rugs or faux sheepskin throws in natural tones around your home. They add warmth and texture while making every step feel cozy and comfortable. Finally, incorporate seasonal scents to tie everything together. Candles or diffusers with notes of cinnamon, vanilla, or pine can instantly make your home feel more welcoming and wintry. A bowl of winter potpourri or dried oranges with cloves is another simple way to add warmth and charm. With these thoughtful finishing touches, your home will feel like the perfect winter retreat, comfortable, peaceful, and full of warmth. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite way to make your home feel cozy during the winter months? Is it soft blankets, warm candles, or something unique? Share your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful and inspiring ideas. Thank you, and see you in the next video.